Welcome back. Let's do question 112. In the diagram alongside, t is the x coordinate, which is x, and then the y coordinate 15 there. And we remember in the previous question, we managed to find that x is -8. So our x coordinate for t there is -8. Right, t is the point in the Cartesian plane, so that OT is 17 units. And then p is the x coordinate of -2 and y coordinate of a, and it lies on OT. K is a point on the positive x-axis, and angle T or K is theta. Determine with the aid of the diagram the following tan theta. Remember the following. Let me just remind you. Right, tan theta is equal to y over x. Remember, tan theta is equal to y over x. Cos theta is equal to x over r, and sine theta is equal to y over r. You have to remember this. We can even use SOHCAHTOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So if you draw your right angle triangle like this, and then you can easily see that this is our x, which is adjacent. Let's use this as our reference angle. So x, which is adjacent, and then y, which is opposite, and r, which is the hypotenuse. So you can use that. So now we want to find tan theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to y over x. So it's 15 over -8. So you can even write it like this. Say tan theta is -15 over 8.